everyone, my name is Miss Ariel.
And I'm Miss Olivia.
Thank you so much for joining us today for another puppet show. We hope you enjoy. Today's puppet show is called I Am a Hammer.
Bang! Bang!
Wow, what a great day.
Bang!
What is that noise?
Bang, bang, bang!
Piggy?
Bang! Wham! Bam, bam!
Piggy, what are you doing?
I am a hammer.
You are a hammer?
Yes! Wham! Bam! Bang!
I did not know that. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig, and your name is Piggy.
I was a pig. Now I'm a hammer. Bang! Bang!
Huh? This is news to me. When did you become a hammer?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago she was a pig. And now she's a hammer.
Bang! Thunk! Bang!
I'm worried. What if I become a hammer? Banging all day? Hammering fingers?
Wham! Bang! Bam! Bang! Wham! Bang! Bang! Wham!
I don't want to be a hammer!
Oh, it's okay, Gerald. It's only pretend.
It is the end?
No, Gerald. Pretend. I am pretending.
What is pretending?
Pretending is when you act like something you are not.
Wow! And you can just do that? You could just go out and pretend to be something you are not?
Sure. Everyone pretends.
Even grown-up people?
All the time.
You really do learn something new every day.
Do you want to try it, Gerald? Do you want to try to pretend to be a hammer? Bang!
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Gerald, why can't you pretend to be a hammer?
Because I am a joke.
Awesome. Let's go build some stuff, Mr. Drill. Bang! Bang!
Great idea, Miss Hammer. Goodbye, boys and girls.